Hi, I'm Eric, and just for fun today, I'm going to open up one of the 4Patriots 1 week survival food kit. Um, just happened to get those the other day on sale. It was buy one, get two for free. There was also a sale, they had buy one 72-hour kit, get two for free. So I bought both of them. I bought some for myself, my son, and both of my daughters, and they came within 2 days, and we're going to open one up and see what's in it. Hope you enjoy this. Okay, so let's get to opening this 1 week survival kit. Okay, and it comes all these packages. Let's see what's in it. Got one creamy rice and vegetable dinner, and it's 8 servings. One serving size is a half a cup, and it's 260 calories. And all you need to do with these is add water. It has instructions on there on how to make it. You should follow the directions on that. Then here is also fireside stew, and this is 8 servings also, with a third of a cup being a serving at 200 calories per serving. Again, it's add water. This one is add the contents to 12 cups of water, so quite a bit of water needed to make this. This is one I haven't tried yet, and I'm kind of want to try that one. Star Spangled Tropical Energy Drink, and this is 10 servings, 180 calories, and it gives you the mixing instructions. So depending on how much you want to make, it tells you to how much to add for how much water. So there's an energy drink for you. America's Finest Mac and Cheese. I've had this before. It's not bad at all. This is 4 servings at a half a cup per serving, 260 calories per serving. I've eaten this one, and it's actually not too bad. I myself add salt and pepper to it, but it's similar to Kraft macaroni and cheese. Not quite as cheesy, but it's not bad. I mean, you can survive on this. Got another America's Finest Mac and Cheese, 4 servings, same exact thing. Again, I don't mind these at all. I could eat those day to day if I wanted to. And then it came with Grammy's Sweet Oatmeal, 8 servings, half a cup per serving at 210 calories per serving. And it tells you you don't have to make the whole thing. You can make 1 serving, 4 servings, or 8 servings, and it tells you how much water to add for each one of those. So that's what comes in this 1 week kit. And again, this is a 1 week kit for one person, not for a family. So one person. Not a bad assortment. Like I said, some things you might want to add some seasoning to it, so always have some seasonings on stock. I do know that every once in a while they have bigger sales where you can buy 4 weeks, get a week, 4 weeks for free, or buy a 6-month supply and get 6 months for free. So you just need to get a hold of 4Patriots if you're interested in them. There's many companies out there that make emergency food. Again, this isn't food you're going to buy to eat every day. This is food you're going to buy to survive on in an emergency. Say the grocery stores can't open because there's no power. or there's a pandemic and the shelves are empty. There's a major earthquake or a tornado or a hurricane. That's what this stuff is for. You could also use it for camping and all that if that's what you want to do with it. I do eat some every once in a while just to try it. It's kind of fun and just to see which ones I like and which ones I don't. But it's not a bad idea to have a couple weeks worth of food on hand just in case there's an emergency. So anyway, get a hold of 4Patriots if you're interested in their product. I get mine. I usually order it and I get it within 2 days, so it's very fast. Every time I've talked to them, they've been very polite on the phone. If they make a mistake, they correct it right away at their expense, not at mine. So I can't complain about that. But like I said, there are many other food companies out there you could choose from. This is just one that I like, so I use them. I also have some Ready Wise. I have some again Augustin Farms stuff. So I mix and match it, and I package my own. I do the Mylar bags with the oxygen absorbers for certain things, and I stock salt. I stock flour, sugar, rice, beans, honey, all kinds of different things that you might need in an emergency. Seasonings. So it's stuff that you might want to think about for your family, what works best for you. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you on another video. Have a good day. Bye.